As the moon sets beyond the distant mountains, another day is born in this vast, barren, and desolate place. This is the Atacama Desert. Stretching over 1,000 miles along the northwestern coast of Chile, the Atacama is trapped between the Chilean coastal range and the Andes Mountains, making it the driest place on the planet. With only 1 millimeter of rainfall per year, it is 20 times drier than the Sahara Desert. The arid landscape is as varied as it is beautiful. Endless rocky terrain, sun-bleached salt pans, imposing sand dunes, rolling hill formations, and deep canyons alternate along the edges of the Altiplano. Eerie graveyards and abandoned settlements haunt this mysterious landscape. And yet, there is life here. No more so than along the Rio Grande, which flows toward the oasis town of San Pedro de Atacama, carving lush canyons in its wake. The ruins of Tulor are proof of human settlement in these parts since 800 BC. Incredibly, within the Atacama salt pan itself, another oasis filled with fruit trees thrives in the midst of the hostile desert surroundings of Toconao. Nearby, the spectacular Valle de la Luna is a place of unforgettable natural beauty. This enormous maze of canyons and giant spires seems out of this world. Composed mainly of clay and sandstone, these incredible formations were chiseled by many millennia of relentless winds. What remains is a serene setting, full of wonder and intrigue. At the heart of the Atacama Desert, at 2,300 meters above sea level, lies the third largest salt pan in the world, extending over 400 square miles. The core portion of the salar consists of vast expanses of razor-sharp spikes, formed by the gradual evaporation of mineral-rich underground water. This impenetrable expanse stretches for as far as the eye can see. In places, however, the thick salt crust gives way to colorful lagoons. The Atacama salt flat is crowned on all sides by cascading volcanic peaks. The cone-shaped Licancabur towers above them all. Volcanic activity is omnipresent. To the north, at 4,300 meters above sea level, El Tatillo is the highest geyser field in the southern hemisphere, boasting over 80 active geysers. Close to the Bolivian border, the steaming lakes of Aguascalientes provide an incredible spectacle to early morning passers-by. Further south, the mighty Volcán Lascar demonstrates its might on a regular basis. As the barren Atacama gives way to the higher Altiplano, vegetation appears out of nowhere. For centuries, indigenous people, the Atacameños, have bred llamas here. In the higher plateaus of the Andes, small herds of rust-colored wild vicuñas roam the open land. Against all odds, they survive by grazing on the scarce, tough mountain grass. The sheer beauty of these landscapes truly is breathtaking. Crystal clear lakes mirror the image of snow-covered volcanoes. Wildlife suddenly becomes abundant. Flocks of pink flamingos add grace to already majestic landscapes. Both the Atacama and the Altiplano are lonely yet magical places. Once touched by the mano del desierto, the memories of these fascinating landscapes will be with you forever.